Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Wind Kissed the Moon, chapter 31. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wang Ting and Shang Yi. The two of them are getting closer. Shang Yi, it's her feeling, are getting stronger. Look at her. It seems that she's going to kiss her. Now, Shang Yi asked her, "We are, what is it now?" She was asking what is the level of the two of them. One thing seems to be surprised. She was blushing. One thing said, "It is count, like a leaf friendship." Oh, this girl, she is getting tricky. How can she say that it's only a leaf friendship? The lips of the lips. One thing said to her, "Well, definitely. They're being crazy to each other, especially one thing at this moment. She wanted to tease her so much." Shang Yi, of course, she really get this and said, "It is all like this. You." One thing is asking her, "Give me your phone. You want to check your friendship partner's phone number too? Do you still need your partner's WeChat? Can you just send it on to you?" Well, definitely, she was deleting something just to modify. Well, it turns out after modifying it, she already gave back to her. Well, what did she do? It seems that she added something. It's a remark, a private designer. "You took my phone just to change the note for yourself. That's too micro business-like." Shang Yi said to her, "Well, definitely." One thing said to her, "Who would describe their girlfriend as gentle as chrysanthemum?" Well, at least, she already called her as a flower, not anything else, right? Well, it was really sweet though. Now, it makes sense. Shang Yi suddenly realized, girlfriend? Oh, so now, Wan Ting labeled himself as girlfriend, right? And Shang Yi, she seems to be surprised. So, AAA is for me to be the first on my list. Well, she was right. She's been on the first list if she called herself AAA. I don't realize you were so childish before, my girlfriend. Shang Yi said to her, "Well, it seems to be both cute. Right now, they really think like this. And my girlfriend could give me some advice that what are you going to say? Oh my god, it's so cool." The goosebump exploded into ground. One thing said to her. Now, she moved closer to her and she kissed her gently. Well, their feelings is really getting better, especially one thing, she is not shy anymore. But for Shang Yi, well, it's confirmed, it's not a friendship, but now a romantic relationship. Well, they really both cute, right? Shang Yi, she looks really happy. I was so happy today. I saw the moon, the sunrise, and also I found a girlfriend. Well, definitely, she was really happy. Oops, I was so busy with you that I forgot to take pictures. It took so long. I lost money, I posted it on WeChat Moments, and I still want. Now, one thing, look at her. Suddenly, Shang Yi picked up her phone. Oh, is she going to take photos of the two of them? Well, definitely, Shang Yi is getting tricky again. Now, she moved closer. She took off the photos. She kissed her gently. Well, this moment, of course, they're not be in friendship, but they're lovers. There's no landscape photo. Will this photo be okay? Oh, you have a magnet on your mouth. You keep kissing me. Like to attract, you're right. Shang Yi said to her, "Now that we have watched the sunrise, do you want to go back?" A bit reluctant, but the two of them seems to be happy and contented with each other. Now, one thing, Shang Yi is calling her. Well, definitely Shang Yi. She wanted to tell her something. Of course, right now, it seems that she is not really comfortable with her. The nature of my job, I can make my relationship in public. Do you mind it? Shang Yi said the one thing. Of course, she really mind it, right? Well, let's see on what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!